Hi, this is Jason Molesky. In this example, we'll take a look at describing a completely randomized controlled experiment. Suppose a utility company decides to conduct an experiment to compare two approaches to encourage energy conservation with a group of customers who receive information about that energy consumption but don't get any help in monitoring electricity use. They'd like to know whether or not utilizing a digital electricity display will help conserve energy. So for this problem, we need to describe a completely randomized design involving 60 single-family residences in the same city whose owners are willing to participate in the experiment. We'll write a few sentences describing how we'd implement the design. Now, for this, what we need to do is randomly assign 20 houses to each of three different treatments. One treatment will be the digital display, one treatment will be using a chart plus that information they receive, and one will be information only. Our response variable is going to be the total amount of electricity used in a year. So we'll start by labeling each house with a distinct number from 1 to 60. Then, writing the labels on 60 identical slips of paper, we could put them in a hat, mix them well, and then draw out 20 slips. The corresponding homes with those numbers will be given digital displays showing the current electricity use. That's our first treatment group. For the second treatment group, we'll draw 20 additional slips. Those homes will use a chart. And for the third treatment group, the remaining 20 homes will be given information about their energy consumption, but they'll have no way to monitor their usage. Now at the end of the year, we'll compare how much electricity was used by the homes in the three groups. Now this is a complete description of the completely randomized design. Notice we have a chart and we have a verbal description. If you encounter a problem like this on the AP exam, you won't get full credit if you only provide the chart, so you'll want to make sure you provide some verbal description as well. Now for some additional practice with completely randomized controlled experiments, try exercise 65.